Hello viewers and welcome to the Dholuo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, my name is Agina and we do this channel with my daughter. She's called Nikki. Oh, here she is. And what we do in this channel is we are trying to learn the Dholuo language. The Dholuo language is spoken by the people of East Africa, especially Kenya, Tanzania, Sudan, who else? Uganda, and now we are all over the world. That's why we're here. Now today we want to talk about subject-object pronouns. So things like I, me, you. Stick around. Now, please subscribe. Now, thank you. So today we talk about subject pronouns, and I'll start with me. An. So in is what? You. In. An. In. Remember, this is an English word, so English word it's in, but here we say in. Okay. Them. Gin. This is also an English word, so don't say the English version. Luo version, gin. Him, her, it. And. And then one. Us. One. Now, I would like us to form sentences with these words. And I'll start with the first one. Can you read this?
Kind in kod an en nga ma rabora.
What does this mean?
You are with me.
And in.
Is rabora.
Who is what?
Rabora.
What is rabora?
I don't know.
Kind in kod an en nga ma rabora. Who is the taller one between me and you?
Oh.
So between me and you, in, you, me, tall. Nga, who? Nga. So between you and me, who is tall? Okay?
En kanye sani. Adwa wuoyo kode.
En kanye sani adwa wuoyo kode. What do you think this means?
Where is he right now? I want to talk with him.
Correct. Where is he right now? En kanye sani. Sani is, sa comes from time. So where is he, kanye, right now? I want to talk. Adwa wuoyo. I want. Wuoyo is talk. Kode, with him. Okay? Good.
Ne andiko ne gi barua.
Read it again.
Ne andiko ne gi barua.
Ne andiko negi barua. Say it like that.
Ne andiko negi barua.
Negi.
Negi.
Ne andiko
Ne andiko
negi
negi
barua.
barua.
What does that mean?
I wrote a letter to them.
Correct. I wrote a letter to them. Ne andiko negi barua.
Wang gi liel ka Ka John.
What does that mean? One Giliel
Oh.
Ka John.
We were.
One.
Oh. Me. One and Liel at John's.
You got it, but now you don't know what Liel is. So it says, we have a funeral at John's. One Giliel Ka John. We have a funeral at John's. That's what it means. Good. So I think we have just touched a little bit on pronouns. This video was suggested by one of the viewers. Thank you so much. And we just had to do, at least we had to do the 4 of them. Those are the most common ones. But we shall make a future enriched video that covers most of them. So thank you, viewers, for suggesting this. And we really love the feedback that you're giving us. So Nikki, can you talk about, yes, close it.
If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can support us on www.patreon.com/Luo English Dictionary. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary.
www.facebook.com/Luo English Dictionary. Now our Twitter handle is at Luo English DICT Dict.
For now, Oriti, goodbye.
Oh, okay, Oriti, goodbye. Let me just go and do the microphone. That's a microphone? No, camera. No.
Camera.
Camera.
Yep.